What's up YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair install video. We're going to be putting on a new headband wig. So this hair is from a company called BLY. They are a company that is located on Amazon, and we love them because we like to get our hair with that 2-day free shipping, okay? So yeah, this hair is from a company called BLY Hair on Amazon. I'm gonna have all the links and everything down below. So the hair comes packaged in this cute little pink bag. Inside we have this little thank you card and talks about like their customer service and all of that kind of stuff. And then we also have a headband. It came with 2 headbands. So this is the first one. It's just a red like knitted top knot headband, and then this is the other one. It's like a dark gray and white bandana style headband, which I absolutely love. This was definitely my favorite out of the 2 headbands, and I wore this headband for majority of the video, which you guys will see. But yeah, this is what the headband looks like. It's just like the top knot type headband, super cute. These are my favorite type of headband, so yeah, super glad that they sent that in the packaging. And then of course we have the hair itself, and that's pretty much all that came with the hair. So we love that it came with headbands. So this is what the hair is looking like. This is their afro curly kinky headband wig, and it is in 16 inches. So the hair comes packaged in the plastic baggie, and then the hair is covered in that hairnet, and it also has the paper packaging on the inside. So I'm just taking off the hairnet, and you guys, the hair feels so soft. I'm pretty much just combing it out with my fingers, and the hair is really soft. It is 100% human hair, so we love that. I did smell the hair, and it did have a little bit of a funny smell, like, you know, nothing a little conditioner can't fix. But for this install, I just installed the hair right away. I didn't wash it first, but yeah, I did have a little smell. So it does come with 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and of course it comes with the Velcro strap so you can secure it to your head. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. Very natural looking, very afro, very kinky, very type 4C hair, which is my hair texture, so that's cool. And I just wanted to show you guys the specs that was on the bag. It is 16 inches like I mentioned before, and it is a afro curly texture. So now we're gonna get ready to put the wig on. And what I love about these headband wigs is that it's just so easy to put on and go. You don't have to worry about laying no lace and melting the lace and nothing with lace, okay? That's why I love these headband wigs. They're super easy. You pretty much just put it on, secure the comb, secure the Velcro, and you ready to go, okay? So I'm here just securing the combs in the front. I only use the 2 combs on the sides. I don't use the comb in the middle. I pretty much just use the 2 combs on the sides and then the 1 in the back, but the one that's in the middle at the front I don't usually use because 3 combs provides more than enough support and security on my head. And this wig is big head friendly, so for all of my big headed girls, this wig is perfect. And I found that the straps were actually very long and spacious, so I absolutely love that. It doesn't feel tight or anything on my head. So now I'm just, you know, going ahead and finger combing the hair, trying to figure out how I want to style it. I really did like the just messy, just natural hair type look, like a twist out or a braid out look. So that's the look that I'm kind of going for. So I'm not going to be manipulating the hair with any products or water or anything. I'm pretty much just using my fingers to finger comb it and get it the way that I like. So of course I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my edges. This process is optional. You don't have to do this. You only do this if you want, but I think it just adds a natural factor to the headband wig when you kind of like fix your baby hairs. So I'm just using some Eco Styler gel and my edges brush, and I'm just brushing my edges and just swooping them back. Y'all, I'm not a professional. I'm not a pro when it comes to baby hairs. I'm still learning how to do the swoops and the waves and the baby hairs, okay? So y'all don't come for me and my baby hairs. These are my little swoops, and I was content with my swoops, okay? So yeah. So this is what the hair is looking like after just playing around with it with my fingers, and I really like it. I think the length is perfect. It definitely gives off natural hair vibes. Like, nobody couldn't tell me that this wasn't my real hair, okay? It looks like my real hair, and we love that. We love a natural wig. So yeah, this is definitely a bomb wig, and like I said, the hair is super soft. The quality feels amazing, and the texture matches natural hair texture really well. So we're gonna try it on with one of the headbands. This is the red headband that the wig came with. So I pretty much just put it over my head and then slide it up over my edges. I like for my natural hair to be exposed, but I try to cover the black headband as much as possible. The black headband that comes made onto the wig. I try to cover that as much as possible, but I want my natural edges to show. I feel like it just gives, you know, a natural look, okay? And we love that. So here is what the hair is looking like with the red headband wig. It is super cute. Absolutely love it. All right, so now we're gonna try the other headband, which is this like bandana style headband, which was my favorite of the two. Like I mentioned before, I really love this style headband, and then with it being like the top knot, I love that as well. I just feel like it's cute. It gives the headband a little pizzazz, a little something something, so I do like that. So yeah, like I said, I like for my edges to be exposed. So I'm just gonna fix my edges just to make sure they showing and my swoops are swooping how they supposed to swoop, okay? And make sure that I cover the black headband as much as possible. But yeah, this is what this headband is looking like, and I love it. I think it's so perfect for like, it's just neutral. It's not screaming too much. You can rock this with any color clothing. I love it. It's just perfect, and it's versatile. And we love that. I love that for me, okay? So I'm gonna be styling the hair in two different ways. I'm gonna be doing my favorite half up, half down hairstyle, okay? So all you're gonna need is a little hair scrunchie, and you're gonna take some of the hair at the top. Of course, you can make the ponytail as big or as small as you want to. I like mine to be kind of on the smaller side. It's not a perfect half up, half down. It's like a quarter up and 3/4 down. You know what I'm saying? Because that's just how I like to do it. So I just take my hair scrunchie, I make a little ponytail at the top, and then I just pull the hair and just play around with it until I like how it looks. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is like my favorite hairstyle to rock with these headband wigs, because it just gives it a natural look. It's super cute, and it's just easy breezy. You didn't have to do too much. You just, you know, it's just easy. So here's what the hair looks like. And then for the next style, I'm pretty much just gonna be doing like a top knot bun. So I'm just gonna take the edges of that ponytail and just wrap it around itself. And so like in a nice little, you know, messy bun at the top. And that's pretty much it. I like for it to look messy, so I like for the hair to kind of be a little, you know, pulled out or whatever. You can definitely customize this as much as you want. Maybe you could let out a piece of hair in the front so you have that cute little piece of curly hair in the front. You know, this is just two simple styles that I like to rock with my headband wigs, and I think it looks super natural and super cute. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Special shout out to BLY Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this hair, because it's super cute. I really like it. The hair is very soft. It's very natural looking. It's just perfect get up and go hair. You don't have to do too much to get it to look cute. Like, it just looks natural. We love it, okay? I really like this hair, and it is very affordable. So I'm gonna have all the specs and everything down below, so make sure you guys go and check them out. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop me a comment down below and let me know if you like the hair or not. And make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, because, you know, it helps it's your girl, okay? And make sure you're subscribed to the channel as well, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video.